What's up guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw from your Etoro account and how fast the withdrawal process takes. So once you log into your account, click on the drop down menu at the top left of your screen. Click on withdraw funds and type in the amount that you want to withdraw. I will be making a withdrawal of just $963 from this account. Click on continue and select your preferred withdrawal method. For this, it's going to be my Visa card. Click on submit, then it takes you to a screen where you can see the amount you will receive and also the fee. The fee is always $5, and then you can close this page. To see the pending withdrawal request, click on the drop down menu again. Then click on withdraw funds. We have one pending request. Click here to see your pending request. Here you can track the progress of your withdrawal or cancel it. And now we just wait for the money to come in. Fortunately, I didn't have to wait too long. The next morning I had $153 in my account from Etoro, and the following day I had the rest of the $805. So sometimes the withdrawal can be split, but the first part came in less than 24 hours and the rest before the next 24 hours. To be honest, I am satisfied with this and I will give the withdrawal process a score of A. Or maybe B+, whichever one. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe if you're not subscribed already, like the video and drop a comment.